it's Emily, and today we're doing the taste test challenge thing. So, could I have the blindfold? Thank you.
Can you see?
I cannot see at all. Plus, I've got my eyes closed. Oh my god, that's tight.
You do not like her names in the
You see?
No, not at all.
How many fingers have I got holding up?
12.
No.
No.
Fingers. Right.
I don't know.
Okay. There's 8 things on here.
8 things.
Louis, shut up.
You don't?
Right.
I can't remember what it's called, but I've had it before. It's like this red fish thing. I can't remember what it's called.
Crab sticks.
Okay.
Cucumber.
Louis,
Louis!
you're not allowed to tell her.
Okay. Cucumber.
Yes. 1 point.
Shh. It's like shreddies with blueberry stuff inside of it.
Yeah. Fruity shredded wheat.
Okay.
No.
Here.
Mango.
Shh. Louis! Don't tell me what it is! Okay.
Louis, you've got to be quiet.
Sweet.
Yep.
Shh. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, peach. Peach.
No.
Hmm?
No.
Plum.
Yep.
Shh. Oh, I can tell from the taste inside of it. Tomato.
Yeah.
Don't tell me. Cheese.
Yeah. Well done, that's it.
Is that it?
Yeah.
Oh
I think you've got all of them right if Louis hadn't kept his mouth shut.
my god. Okay.
And you do one for it.
Wait a sec.
Do you want to eat the other half?
Yeah, I might. Can you tie it up again?
You don't need to, they're all exactly the same.
Okay.
So I did them for both of you. Okay.
It's just I don't really like the crab sticks.
Don't eat it then.
Okay. No! Well, anyways, guys, thanks for watching this video. If you haven't already seen any of my other videos, please like, subscribe, or comment if you need to. And I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye!